Say good morning. We had a big storm and we're out here in the garden after it finally quit raining, and we're gonna pull some carrots. Use your big girl muscles. Pull straight. Good job. One more. Nice. You want to go check some more carrots?
Yeah.
And check that one over there.
This one?
Yeah. Look at the top and see.
That one looks small, but it has...
It looks small?
Yeah,
All right.
but it has the top.
It has the top. Go check those next up. Check those. Yep. Do you remember how we check our tops?
Yep.
So in order to check to see if your carrots probably are ready to be pulled, you dig a little bit and look how big around that they are. Do they look big around, or do they need a little more time?
I think they would need a little time.
A little more time?
Let me check this one. Yeah, this one definitely needs more time.
Okay.
Let's see if this one needs more time. Yeah, time.
That one needs time?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll check this one.
You're gonna check that one?
Take that. Need more time.
Need more time? All right. Thank you.
You're welcome.